Hello everyone, I am Khushi Gupta reporting live from the 6th edition of ATCFO Leadership Summit 2025. Right now, I have been joined by Anjali Desai from Zaggle Zoyer. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Very well, Kuchi. Thanks.
Thank you so much for joining us. Ma'am, please share your overall experience at the summit.
See, I have been attending this summit for last many years, and as it always happens, I think it's the turnout of the CFOs that happen, and even the partners, and the kind of discussions that happen over here are definitely superlative, and that's why it is always very very interesting to attend the event.
That's great that you have such great experience at this summit. Moving forward to my next question, how is Zaggle leveraging AI in financial transformation and what are the tangible benefits from it?
Sure. See, Zaggle is in the forefront of coming up with innovative solutions, and that's why we've got the leadership in the spend management area. Now, innovation is a constant in the sense you have to always look at what new, what better can you do, and that is exactly what we've tried to do. Wherein we have a solution called as BROME, which is Branch Recurring Operational Monthly Expenses, and we have our Procure to Pay solution. Apart from, of course, another array of products that are there, right? And we are trying to see that how AI can really get integrated and be used by the clients, wherein they can really have a high reduction of the cost of processing. So today, if there is a 5-member team, it can really come down by 70-80%, and then they can reuse the available resources, or even in terms of avoiding any kind of vestiges, leakages that are there. I have seen companies reduce their spend by even 5 to 7%. So yeah, those are, I think, the direct tangible benefits that customers get.
Yeah, that's great. Stay tuned to ATCFO social media platforms to know more about this event.